Welcome to Homecare Pro. Today we are taking a deep dive into the Drive Medical Decompressing Foam Mattress. If you or a loved one spend extended periods in bed, whether for home care or recovering from an injury, finding the right mattress is crucial for comfort and health. Today we are going to break down everything you need to know about this high-density foam mattress to help you decide if it is the right choice for your needs. Let us start with the core features. This is an active mattress replacement system designed specifically to provide exceptional comfort and support through its advanced decompressing properties. When you first unpack it, you will want to allow 24 to 72 hours for the mattress to regain its full shape. Keep in mind that memory foam expands faster in a warmer room, so temperature can play a small role in the initial setup. Measuring 80 inches in length, 36 inches in width, and 8 inches in height, it is built to fit standard hospital beds as well as regular beds seamlessly. It boasts a solid weight capacity of 275 pounds, making it durable and reliable for a wide variety of users. When it comes to daily usability, Drive Medical has included some very thoughtful design choices. The bottom of the mattress features a non-slip material, paired with 4 secure corner straps. This ensures that the bed stays firmly in place, even when adjusting a hospital bed frame up and down. Additionally, they added 2 side carry handles, which makes lifting, repositioning, and placing the mattress much easier for caregivers. Protection and hygiene are vital for medical bedding. The mattress comes with a removable nylon stretch cover that is fluid-resistant, low shear, and vapor-permeable. This material actively helps protect the skin from friction and moisture buildup, reducing the risk of pressure sores. Underneath that cover, the inner core is safely encased in a fire-retardant barrier that meets strict safety regulations. Plus, you get peace of mind knowing it is backed by a 1-year warranty from Drive Medical, a trusted brand in home healthcare for over 2 decades. Now let us weigh the pros and cons, starting with the pros. The pressure relief support is fantastic for preventing discomfort during long resting hours. The fluid-resistant and vapor-permeable cover is a lifesaver for easy cleaning and skin protection. The non-slip bottom and corner straps prevent frustrating sliding, and the side carry handles make maintenance straightforward. Moving on to the cons. The weight capacity maxes out at 275 pounds, which might not be suitable for every user. Also, waiting up to 72 hours for full expansion can be a bit inconvenient if you need an immediate sleep solution right out of the box. In conclusion, the Drive Medical Decompressing Foam Mattress delivers on its promises of support, safety, and durability. It bridges the gap between hospital-grade functionality and everyday home comfort. If you are looking to upgrade a home care setup with a reliable, pressure-relieving mattress that is easy to maintain and built to last, this is definitely worth considering. Link in the description.